Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Love you. Mahal kita.
Ito.
May binigay si David sa akin. Kagigising ko lang. Aww. Ayan siya. Dear Mom, flowers for you for all you do. Thank you. Love, David. Oh, galing kay Kuya David. Ito pala